What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have this brand new Lamborghini Huracan STO in the shop, and we're going to be doing full body Valor paint protection film. We're going to be doing gloss PPF on all the gloss pieces, and then we're going to be doing matte paint protection film on all the matte carbon fiber bits. This vehicle is going to be getting coverage from bumper to bumper. We're going to be doing all the little pieces on the front splitter, on the hood vents, as well as the pieces on the rear wing, as well as the rear diffuser. We've already got the full vehicle tinted in our ceramic film, and we've already got the vehicle paint corrected and all cleaned up. A couple of interesting things about this vehicle, if you don't already know, is that this hood is all one giant piece, and it actually comes up. So the hood starts over here and ends all the way at the bottom with no breaks or seams. So we're gonna be doing what's called a bulk installation, which is pretty much grabbing a big piece of material and we're gonna be stretching it across on this hood. A couple other pieces that we are gonna be bulk installing are the 2 quarter panels, which Josefa, if you guys can see right behind me, is currently getting all prepped and cleaned. Our computer plotter system does have it in the system. However, there are a couple different seams. In order to avoid those seams, we're gonna be using the bulk installation method, just so that way we can get a little bit more coverage, especially kind of in this area where there's a lot of intricate body lines, and we'll kind of show you the process of how we're gonna attack this piece here in just a couple minutes. One other vehicle we have in the shop that's also going to be getting full body paint protection film is the 70th anniversary C8 Corvette. We've already started the vehicle. As you guys can see, we do have a little bit of it disassembled, such as this gloss black piece in the front bumper. We took it off just because the vehicle is white. Dirt is going to build up a little bit more on the edges and it's going to be a lot more noticeable. So we did do some light disassembly just so that way we can tuck in the film a little bit further and get as seamless of an installation as possible. We did take off the mirror. We took off the gasket on the side, as well as the door handle area and this gloss black trim piece as well. Both vehicles are going to be covered in Llumar's Valor paint protection film, which carries a 12-year warranty and has ceramic coating infused in the top layer. It also has that self-healing top layer as well. So these vehicles are going to be protected for years to come. So just a quick update on the STO. We've already laid both quarter panels. We'll show you guys a little bit more of a close-up here in just a little bit, but we're actually about to lay the front hood. What makes this hood so difficult is that it is very large. It's about 120 inches of material by 72 inches that we're gonna be using, just so that way we can get it in one full piece. So enough talking, let's go ahead and start getting working on this car. So we're about to install the PPF on the passenger side door. We're gonna be using what's called the berthing technique, which is pretty much, if you guys can see, typically there is a seam right at the top over here where the mirror is, just so that way the film can kind of go around the mirror easily. However, with the berthing technique, we're pretty much gonna delete that seam. We're gonna heat up around the mirror. We're gonna stretch it across this mirror and then kind of tuck it around the mirror stock, and we're gonna hit it with heat and it's gonna shrink back, and then we're gonna finish the installation on the mirror. So I already got the panel prepped, squeegeed, and now we're just about to lay it. So as you guys can see, it was pretty simple. Just we hit it with hot water, stretched it over the mirror, and then laid it. Now I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit more hot water just so it can shrink back. And then we're gonna line it up across the mirror, and it's pretty much straightforward from there. So we just finished up squeegeeing out the door. I flushed out all the edges with hot water just so that way there's no soap, there's no alcohol, anything like that. Now I'm gonna give it a couple minutes just so that way some of that water can dry, and then we're gonna go ahead, start trimming off our film and then wrapping it around the edges. All the big panels are pretty much all complete. All we have left is the driver door, the mirrors, and some small accent pieces. We should finish up hopefully by the end of the day tomorrow, and then this bad boy will be all complete. So the Lamborghini Huracan STO is all complete. Just to go over what we did bumper to bumper coverage in our Llumar Valor paint protection film, which carries a 12-year warranty, has ceramic coating infused in the top layer, and has a self-healing top coat. We also tinted the side windows in our ceramic 15% film just to help with the heat rejection, as well as help protect the interior. Just to go in a little bit more detail about the paint protection film, kind of the installation and how we did certain things. The hood and both quarter panels were bulk installed, where we pretty much grabbed a big piece of material and stretched it across the panel. For the hood, we used a 72-inch piece of PPF. We pretty much laid it on the hood and then tacked just the middle, and then me and Josefa stretched out to the front, and then we stretched it out to the back, and we did that on both sides just so that way the film hugs around this corner and this edge, and we can tuck in the film. So we did get really good coverage inside of here, as well as a nice stretch and a nice hug around this fender well, so that way we don't have any fingers or anything like that. One thing about this car is that the edges aren't very thick, so you do have to trim the PPF right on that edge and just pretty much heat it down. And even some of the corners, we did burn some of them just so that way you get a nice clean corner. Being a race car, this full body is carbon fiber and fiberglass. So this hood, the underside, if you flip it over, it's all dry carbon fiber, which is really cool. For a lot of the other pieces, we did print them just because you get a much nicer, cleaner installation, like this mirror. This mirror, I believe, is maybe about 10 pieces total. The whole entire thing is covered from front to bottom, side to side, the base. We got this to line up really well, so the pattern fits
really nice. With the doors, we did do the berth technique, which we pretty much just stretched it across the mirror and then hit it with a little bit of heat just so that way it shrinks back. So we don't have a seam or anything like that right at the top. It is all one piece and it does fit really nice around this mirror. Moving along to the quarter panel, we did also bulk install this. We used a 48-inch wide piece of PPF and we were actually able to get all the way in, so there is no piece in here that is not covered. We pretty much started over here at the front, lightly stretched it to the back so that way the material right around here hugs, and then we pretty much worked the material down over here and up and out. And then we were also able to tuck it all the way in over here and then work it up over this curve and then all the way to the bottom, as you guys can see from the video. So there is no relief cut, there is nothing over here. It is all done in one piece. The only place where there is a relief cut is right around this fender vent, just because obviously you can't stretch in there. So there is a little bit of exposed paint right here, but you're really not gonna get rock chip or any damage or anything like that. Not everything can be done in one piece. Some places you do have to make relief cuts. However, we were able to get that. So I'm very impressed with our guys' effort on this, as well as my effort as well. Overall, this is probably one of the most challenging vehicles that I personally have done or that we've had in the shop. This vehicle, I believe, was maybe about 200 pieces or so, which some cars such as Teslas are maybe max 20 pieces. We also have a Lamborghini Urus in the shop that's kind of right behind us. That one is about 100 pieces, so there's a lot of pieces involved in the Urus, but this vehicle, there's just so much more body lines, there's just so much more extra carbon fiber all around the vehicle. Everything's covered, all the carbon fiber on the front, the black trim, the headlights, the mirrors, the rear bumper, the tail lights, just about anything and everything that we could cover is covered. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us work on this vehicle. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below or send us a direct message, and we'll see you guys next time.